Let me show you some camera tips and tricks for Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. So first of all, we're gonna go to the camera, of course, and first we're gonna check camera settings. So if I tap here on this icon in the upper right corner where we have two rectangles and two diamonds, then we should be able to find settings. And in here in settings, the first thing that I can recommend you to do is you can go to the front photo resolution and you can actually increase the resolution for selfie photos. By default, we use the standard resolution, but you can increase it to high if you wish to have higher resolution. I'm not sure why the high standard is not the high option is not the standard option, but there we go. We can just change that. Of course, in addition to that, we have, let's say, the selfie mirror option. So if you don't like the mirror effect, you can turn it off quite easily. And in capture methods, you can find a couple of useful things that you might want to activate, like, for example, the palm capture. So you can show your hand to the front camera while trying to take a selfie photo in order to take that photo without having to touch the phone at all. There's also the auto smile capture, so whenever the phone or the camera detects that someone is smiling on the picture, and then the photo is going to be taken for you. And of course there is also the tap anywhere to capture, so when that option is enabled, you don't have to use the shutter button in order to take a photo. You can just tap anywhere on the screen to capture the photo. Simple as that. And besides that, we have the quick capture gesture, so you can twist your hand or wrist twice quickly and then you will open the camera. And you can also choose which camera should be opened if you perform that gesture, so definitely worth checking out. Besides that, in the camera, let's say in the photo mode, let's start with that. Here at the top we can find these stars. Here we can choose the color style of our photos. And we have the natural style, but also there is the signature style, which is something like AI tool which can be used to determine your own style, and then it's going to be automatically applied to your photos. You can also customize it a little bit, so you can provide some samples, some food samples, portrait samples, and landscape samples. And then based on provided photos, the phone can try to create your own style, which then is going to be used on all of your photos. Besides that, if you're looking for the motion photo or live photo, it is available on this phone as well, and it is here at the top right next to these stars. So these two circles with a dot, this is the action shot. It is actually called action shot in here, but this is essentially the motion photo, which allows you to record like a very short video, and then based on that video the phone is going to pick the best frame and it's going to be used as a photo. So definitely a cool feature which can not only provide the best frame, but also maybe you can create really great moments before you take the photo. Not only that, the photo mode also has the macro mode. It actually uses the ultra-wide angle camera. It is not like a very true macro camera or something like that, but still it allows you to take decent close-up photos of small subjects. And then we can also go to the more section, because in here we should be able to find the ultra-res option. And this is a very simple camera mode, which doesn't really have much features available, but essentially if you're looking for a way to capture photos using the highest resolution possible, in this case 50 megapixels, then this is the mode that you are supposed to use. Unfortunately, we don't have like any filters, you cannot use zoom or anything like that. The only feature or the only list of features that we have is the flashlight and the camera timer, so as you can see, very simple, but it provides the highest resolution possible. And in addition to that, we also have the photo booth, which is a pretty fun mode where you can pose while capturing 4 separate photos in a row with 3 seconds in between. This uses the front camera, so this is more like a selfie mode, but in here we should be able to capture a pretty cool group of photos, which can be pretty fun at times. Of course, I'm pretty sure you can figure out what you can do something with it. And that is pretty much it. So I'm pretty sure there are some other stuff that we can of course do in the camera over here, but I think these are the most fun or the most useful things that I could find on this phone in the camera. So leave a like and subscribe.